Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good evening. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, a lot of you from other provinces and all parts of Metro Manila, about the second closure of Bangko Pilipino. Good evening and happy Valentine's Day. This is date uploaded February 14, 2026. Okay. By the way, a lot of you are suggesting, actually I was also thinking since last year na, if I have that, actually if you can see my past videos about Bangko Filipino, this time this is about this one. This is the effectivity. Effective February 15, 2026, due to the suggestion of other former Banco Filipino depositors, if I can make, because usually my videos are 8 minutes above, na 8 minutes pataas. So, may nagsuggest, sabi nila, Sir Steve, baka meron naman yung maiksi, kung pwede Bangko Filipino Reels. Actually, that's a great suggestion. Pwede. Actually, isisimulan ko na effective February 15, 2026. Now, ang tanong is, ilan minutes ang coverage? That's a good question. Actually, since the YouTube has a meeting with the board of directors and other directors and staffs, I wrote them verbally. I make a video to them, if possible, if they can make the maximum of 5 minutes. However, they just only approved last, I think, 2023, maximum of 180 seconds or 3 minutes. Because in, sorry, because in 1 minute, it's 60 seconds, right? So 180 seconds is 3 minutes. So I was thinking also, that's a great idea. Kung masyado mahaba ang 8 minutes, meron din maiksi. Actually, ang maiksi ko talaga is 5 minutes. Then sabi ko, pwede, that's a great idea. Pwede natin gawin reels, no? Ang reels lang is, due to their policy, 3 minutes below or 3 minutes exact. Yan ang, gano'n lang kaiksi. Then may lalabas na word sa description or sa title, depende, pero may date. Yan ang koan. February 15. That will be Sunday, February 15. I will not say the word tomorrow because kung ito ay nagtagal na itong video na ito, it will last long. By the way, all my Bangko Filipino, it's either videos or reels, my hashtag. So at least kung ano yung topic, nandun din yung hashtag. Okay? Oh, I have some announcement aside sa February 15, 2026. This year, 2026 will come out yung sa this coming Holy Week, April, first week. Meron akong assignment EE1. That will be another video. Then, meron ako itutukoy yung sa Bangko Filipino Cebu branches. May madadagdagan. Ang Mandaue walang problema kasi may factory. Ang Mactan or Lapu-Lapu City, possible. I already checked the area, overall area. Because due to so many factory workers, so it needs a payroll account. So it needs to have a branch. Because one commercial bank in Lapu-Lapu City is not enough. Sa Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, yung MEPSA, Mactan Export Processing Zone area, is not enough. Then Davao region or region, I think region 11, ang possibility Tagum, Digos, then some parts of Davao City yung pinaka-commercialize. I was also thinking 3 districts. In Davao City, there is 3 districts. Bear that in your mind. Digos that will come out, Tagum that will come out. I was also thinking the parts yung sa iba yung sa Mati Davao Oriental, iba pa yon. Yung sa Panabo, yes, it will come out. What else? Kasi ang Bukidnon, meron pa kami ihiwalayan. Ang tatamaan sa Bukidnon, Valencia City, Bukidnon, possible. Malay-balay, possible. Kasi ang Metro Bank hindi kaya mag-isa yan sa isang syudad. Isang bank, kulang yan. Mindanao, take note Mindanao is very progressive. Sa Zamboanga Peninsula area, hindi lang Zamboanga City, kailangan magkaroon ng Dipolog, Dapitan, Pagadian. Ang Jensen, I was also thinking sa South Cotabato, Coronadal. Ang Suralia, I was also thinking Suralia. Then, what else? Coronadal, I already mentioned, no? Sa North Cotabato, ang pwede Mitsayap, Pikit, basta maraming important parts sa Mindanao. Lalabas yan. Tapos, Cagayan de Oro, because during our times, ang Cagayan de Oro, isa lang. Kulang talaga. Yun ang nakikita kong Hingoog City. That's under Misamis Oriental. El Salvador, possible. Misamis Occidental, I think Osamis. It must have Osamis sa Mindanao. By the way, sorry if I already enumerate only in Mindanao. This time yung Luzon, yan. May nagkuhan sa akin email last month January. Ang Nueva Ecija pa yung lalabas. Ang una namin nakita kasi nagmeeting kami mga Depositors Alliance sa Visayas. Ang tatamaan is Nueva Ecija, I think Cabanatuan. Yes, Cabanatuan City. San Jose City, yung mga rice milling. Yun ang tatamaan. San Jose, Cabanatuan, what else? Sayan City of Muñoz lalabas. Sa Bataan, Limay, Orani, Maribeles, possible. I think I mentioned Limay, lalabas din namin. Limay, Orani, I'm not so sure pa Orani. Limay, Maribeles, sure yan. Sa Pangasinan, ito importante ang Pangasinan, Dagupan, pinaka-importante ang Dagupan, San Carlos City, what else? Lingayen, I was also thinking Lingayen. Yung may SM, I think SM City, Rosales, possible. Maraming city. Basta yung mga cities sa Pangasinan, because we already checked. Kasi kailangan niya na maraming branches ang Pangasinan province, hindi dahil sa Tiplex, yung Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union Expressway, not aside from that. Kasi kung may Pangasinan, kailangan may Baguio sa Benguet province, such as Baguio, La Trinidad, yan, mga kuan. Pero aside sa mining, ang reason kaya ko yan na-mention yung Pangasinan kasi dahil sa asin, salt industry. Kasi that time kung asin ang i-deposit nila na yung industry, salt industry, they will find na yung bank na hindi masyadong mahal ang maintaining balance. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Tapos sa Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, sa Ilocos Norte, Lawag, sa Ilocos Sur, Vigan, Candon. Yung Paway, Ilocos Norte, possible. Ang ma-assure namin, Lawag. The reason why I'm enumerating all the important places kasi hahanap-hanapin yan mga banks. Hahanapin nila yung lugar, yung feasible area. Then sa Region 2, Cagayan Valley Region, Tugigaraw, sure yan. Apari, Cagayan. Kasi yan lang ang pwede talaga. Kung sa Cagayan Valley, ang pwede talaga Tugigaraw, tsaka Apari, yun talaga. Rizal Town of Cagayan, Rizal, yung hindi siya city atali. Pwede siya. Basta meron, ang economic activity kasi is agribusiness, so pwede siya. Remote area siya. Pwede siya. Sa Cagayan Valley na mention ko na, Pampanga, San Fernando, Angeles. Yan. Olongapo, yes. Okay, sa Bicol Region, Region 5, ito. Daet, Camarines Norte. Sa Camarines Sur, Naga, Iriga. Meron pa ako nakitang part, pili, yung sikat na pili nuts. Pili. Yun, lalabas yan. Yung mga maraming BDO branches sa Camarines Sur, yun, lalabas. Ang Camarines Norte, Daet. Importante ang Daet. Legazpi City, yung sa Mayong Volcano. Tabaco City, Albay. Tapos, Sorsogon, yung may city, Sorsogon City. Iba yung Erosin. Tapos, ano pa, Virac, Catanduanes. Yan, lalabas. Sa Masbate City. Yun ang napansin ko. Tapos, may napansin ako sa Region 8 or Eastern Visayas. Tacloban is not a problem. Tacloban City. Ormoc, lalabas ang Ormoc. Sa Southern Leyte, I think Baybay City or Maasin City. Yun. Southern Leyte. Sa Samar, Borongan, Naval Biliran, possible. Pwede ang Naval Biliran. Kasi ang nakikita kong kulang sa Region 8, kasi ang inapprove lang that time, Tacloban. Ormoc, Itmas. Kasi may airport So pag check clearing, counted siya. Kasi kung dalawa lang ang airport sa Leyte, it's either Ormoc or Tacloban. Dalawa lang yan. Yan ang importante. Then, sa Samar, Borongan, Catbalogan. Yes, Catbalogan. I think I'm not so sure northern or eastern Samar. Basta marami. Sa Region 8. Okay? Okay, sa Region 6, yan. Very interesting pa. Western Visayas. Boracay, yes. Calibo, Aklan, yes. Iloilo, may na-found out ako. Iloilo City. May isang city pa na almost similar siya sa Iloilo City. Pasig. Ang Papia, we need to study it. Ang Pabia. I think that's a first o second class municipality sa Iloilo Province. Aklan, nasabi ko na. Ang Antique, San Jose, then Guimaras, meron. Of course, Negros Occidental. Anyway, it's already Region 18. Ang pwede lang ma-assure namin yung Asukal, Victorias, Bacolod, Bago City, Kabangkalan City, Cadiz, important kasi may port. San Carlos City, basta lahat sugar related. By the way, huwag kayo ma-discourage, my fellow viewers. Kahit sino ang banggain natin na banks na malalaking bangko, huwag kayo matakot. Basta we try our best, then gradual approach. I know this will be a harder step. Pero meron na kami nakitang feasible areas in every province, my fellow viewers. Sa Palawan, Puerto Princesa, Nara, case to case pa, Nara, Palawan. Kasi dahil sa airport, national airport, it must have. Total, may SM naman, so madali na yan siya. Okay. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good evening.